In this video, I'll show you how to remove the center dash trim on a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado J95, also known as the Colorado in the UK. This is the trim surrounding the radio, center vents and ashtray. The easiest way to remove it without damaging anything is with a plastic trim removal tool. Avoid screwdrivers unless you want scratch trim and broken clips. Start at one corner and gently work the trim tool behind the panel. Apply even pressure and begin popping the clips free one by one. Don't yank it out. Just work your way around gradually until the whole panel releases. Once free, pull the trim forward carefully and disconnect anything attached if needed. That's the center dash trim removed. To refit it, line the clips back up with the mounting points and press evenly until it all snaps back into place. Simple job, but worth doing properly if you want to avoid damaging old interior plastics. If this helped, check out the rest of the Land Cruiser content on the channel. The Talk.